Hey guys, welcome to the BMS journey. So today we are going to see the fourth chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana रोगानी उत्पादनीयम अध्याय. So हमारा फर्स्ट MCQ है. The number of and आधारणीय वेगास आर. नंबर ऑफ आधारणीय वेगास आर 13. वो कौन सा है? वात, विनमूत्र, श्रुत, त्रुट, शुदा, निद्रा, कास, शम, श्वास, जृंबा, अश्रु, छर्दी एंड रेतस. सो ये हो गया हमारे 13 आधारणीय वेगास. हृदय रोग, it is caused due to the suppression of and following vega. हृदय रोग, it is caused due to the suppression of and अधोवात, श्वास, कास. The answer will be the all of the above. Pindico udveshtana occurs due to the suppression of. Pindico udveshtana is occurs due to the suppression of and purisha. Pindico udveshtana means cramps into the calf muscle is occurs due to the suppression of and purish. हृदयस्य उपरोचनम is occurs due to the suppression of. हृदयस्य उपरोचनम means gripping sort of and a sensation of and chest is occurs due to the suppression of purisha. Avapidaka sneha napana is indicated in. Avapidaka snehapana is indicated into the mutrodajanya vikaras, adhovata and purisha. Means answer will be the all of the above. Hridaya vibandha and urovibandha are caused due to the suppression of vibandha. Vibandha means constipation or obstruction is caused due to the udgara suppression. Manyastambha is caused due to the Manyastambha. Manyastambha, it is a Vataja Nanatmaja Vikara. बेसिकली इसमें क्या होता है, बैक मसल और नेक स्टीफ होती है और रिजिड होती है. सो आंसर विल बी शवतुरोध एंड अश्रुरोध. Vyanga, it is caused due to the suppression of. Vyanga is nothing but the type of the kushta. Shudra kushta. Type of the Shudra kushta. And answer will be Vamana. Ardhita Vata, it is caused due to the suppression of Shavatu. Raktamokshana and Virechana are indicated in which Vega Nirodhajanya Vikaras? Raktamokshana and Virechana. This will be Vamatu. The time of an Gratapana into the Mutra Rodhajanya Vikaras is Pragabhakta and Jirnantika. Means answer will be the D. That is B and C. Following Vikara occurs due to the Shukrarodha. Answer will be Mutrasanga, Vriddhi and Angavedana. Answer will be the all of the above. Gulma, it is caused due to the suppression of. Gulma is Granthi or lumps formation near heart, and basti means anus. So it will be caused due to the suppression of ashru, adhovata, and shramashwasa. Means answer will be the all of the above. Ashmari, it is a cause due to the ashmari. In modern, we will say urinary calculi. और हम लोग कॉमन में क्या बोलते हैं इसको, किडनी स्टोन. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा, caused due to the mutra rodhana, purisha rodhana, and shukra rodhana. Ashmari, it is a cause due to the ashmari. It is urinary, means urinary tract से related होगा आंसर. So mutra rodhana is, and shukra rodhana, purisha will be not there. So answer will be D. Samvahana or a mild massage is indicated into the dash vega rodhana janya vikaras. It is a nidra. Nidra vega rodhana janya vikara. Following it is caused due to the suppression of an shudra shudra vega. Answer will be D. That is Brahma, Hriday and Bhadirya. Angabhanga, it is caused due to the Angabhanga. It is like breaking sort of pain. और ब्रेकिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ पेन पूरे बॉडी में किसकी वजह से होता है, तो मूत्र रोध, शुक्र रोध and Shuddha Rodha, means all of the above will be the answer. Following it is the Dharaniya Vega. Dharaniya Vegas are 6. कौन कौन सा है, लोभ, इच्छा, द्वेष, इच्छा, द्वेष, मात्सल्य, मात्सर्य, राग आदि, and Jitendriya. These are the 6 Dharaniya Vegas. So answer will be the all of the above. Following therapy should be administered to the Bheshaja Shapita. Answer will be D. That is all of the above. Agantuja Roga, it is caused due to Agantuja Roga, it is caused due to Bhukta, Shata, and Visha, means all of the above. Basically, Agantuja Roga means disease is caused due to the disease or the roga caused due to external factors. Dosha that arise into the Varsha Rutu should be eliminated in Sharad Rutu, because the sequence is like Shishira, Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, and Hemant. So वर्षा के बाद क्या आता है, शरद. सो आंसर विल बी शरद. घनत्यय इज द सिनोनिम ऑफ, घनत्यय मीन्स क्या होता है, डिसअपीयरेंस ऑफ क्लाउड. डिसअपीयरेंस ऑफ क्लाउड, तो हमें पता है कि वर्षा ऋतु में क्लाउड्स आता है और वर्षा ऋतु के बाद क्लाउड्स गायब हो जाएंगे तो और डिसअपियर हो जाएंगे, तो आंसर विल बी द शरद ऋतु. Adrakala is also called as Adrakala. Adrakala is also called as Varshakal or Varsha Ritu. One of the following is causative factor for the aroga. Satyapara, Aptapasevi, and Visavakshakta. All of the above will be the answer. Following measures should be the performed for the prevention and cure of under diseases Nija and Agantuja. The answer will be the all of the above. That's it guys. Let's see you in the next video.